Well, we haven't done a clothes haul for quite a while, but I have been shopping for consignment clothes all along. Well, I mentioned in one of the past videos that I was going to start and only purchase name brand clothes that are quality. I've also mentioned that I prefer thrifting over buying new. And one of the reasons is you don't see it on everybody else when you're out and about, but also the quality on some other items are a little bit better sometimes than what you find on the racks nowadays. But that said, some of the things that I have today, they had the tags on still. So they were new, they're not vintage. And vintage, 20 years or older, which I don't think I have anything here that's vintage. If anything, they're all fairly new. But I went shopping looking for island vacation clothes, and I went looking for things to wear out in the garden and also for work. Like this shirt. This shirt, it has some ruching on the sleeves, and I just love this color. And everything I bought, I focused on blue, white, cream, so that I can mix and match while I'm vacationing. And this shirt was in just when I was looking at colors, and I love the fit. I forget the brand already. It's not a big name brand. It might be, I don't remember. I'll try to put it on the screen here. But everything I bought was $7 or $3.50 because of a discount. And then I got my 20%, I think it's a 20% discount for seniors. And it's the only time I like to say I'm a senior, and this was at Goodwill. And I was just thrilled. I even got Ben some vacation clothes, and I should actually go grab those. I will. I hope I remember. But I wanted to show you some of the things that I found. So my goal is, one, this is not vanity, it's low self-esteem, honestly. I've put on weight. I haven't been able to go to the gym now for I don't know how many months due to some things that have been going on. So I'm just not feeling confident. And I love wearing dresses anyway. So I picked up some long dresses that surprisingly fit my height. I'm only 5'1". And I found some dresses here. This one, I don't know the brand, Artisan Navy, but I have one in my closet that's very similar. And with shoes and with it lifted up a little bit, fits me perfect. And I might wear this one or another. I think it's gonna be the polka dot one that I'll probably, oops, just hit that I'll probably wear on the plane with sneakers and a denim jacket, which I also have. I bought a couple weeks ago. So this was, let's see, this one was $7 and it fits perfect, like new condition. And I did thrift at this store also for some things around, oops, the lights just flashed. I forgot our generator does an automatic check. I'm a little high energy right now. And this particular one, it fits great, but I think it will be more for the garden. And, you know, the stripes kind of work against me here with the horizontal stripes, but it fits like a glove, and I could just see wearing this in the garden. I prefer wearing dresses, actually. And so this one is not going on vacation with us, but it will be hung in the closet. I love polka dots, but this one, it fits like a glove. And this is from Old Navy. And I'm sorry, I don't know what the brand of this one was. Let me tell you. Let's see. I don't know if this is a name brand or not. There's not even anything on. It's probably down inside. But it's not a brand that is out and about. So that's a no-name brand. But like I said, that's garden. This is Old Navy, and it's double lined. Some of these are a little heavier than I wanted to do for this island vacation. We're actually going to St. John, and it's more of a knitwear, a jersey, stretch jersey. But I think it'll be great over bathing suits. And like I said, I'll probably wear this on the plane with, I also found a denim jacket that's short and crop, because once we get off the plane, it's going to be hot, but we're going to be walking in, first in Boston where it will be cold. So I might wear this with that so I could just take the jacket off. Another item I found for maybe over a bathing suit, I found this cute little thing, Merona. but this might go. I'm trying to do a carry-on. I don't know if that's going to work or not. Now that I'm seeing some of the width of some of the clothes that I have, but this is cute. I just thought it would be nice over a bathing suit, and it's definitely too low for a dress. But I could always wear a bathing suit under it, wear it as a dress if we're just going out. We're renting a house, and right outside the house we have a pool, and then it goes to the beach. So I could just slip this on if I wanted to. And then when I was walking in to Goodwill yesterday for this particular stop, I saw this sweater on a mannequin, and they were actually working in the front lobby, and I asked if I could take it. So I stripped the mannequin of its top. This is also Old Navy. This was $7. And I had this on last night, just trying my clothes on with white leggings and my white sneakers. I had on my Sperry's, and it was just very comfortable. So I want to have some sweaters for the cooler nights. Well, cooler. It's supposed to be mid 70s, high 70s, but you know, on the islands it's windy sometimes. So I wanted to have something that does cover me, and I also will have my jean jacket. And then I have another top here, once again, going on the blue, the white, the creams. I found this cute little top, which was, this was $6. And this might have even been less. I forget what color tag. If you're not familiar with Goodwill, every time you go in, they have tag colors. And if that tag is listed, it's 50% off. And that's why I'm going to show you some of Ben's. So I have this cute little shirt. It has a little swing bottom, a little A-line to it, and it's just very comfortable. And I can see that with a pair of shorts, once again, my white pants, and that definitely goes with a lot that I have. My closet is full of navy blue, black, white, magenta, royal blue, and everything I can just mix and match. Let me go grab the shirts that I bought for Ben to show you. Oh, here's another, wait a minute. I almost forgot this one. I was really shocked that yesterday there was quite a few Brooks Brothers shirts. And I also found this sweet little pink button down. It looks brand new. I can't even imagine that it was even worn by somebody. And it's a little teeny bit tight, barely. But once again, my weight is fluctuating up and down, and this is going to be perfect for the summer, I know already. So I was surprised to find that. This was at $6 for a Brooks Brothers shirt. And they had quite a bit of Brooks Brothers. This was at the Concord, New Hampshire store. They had a lot of name brands there. But let me go grab Ben's shirt. So I rarely buy thrifted things for him, but I found this Nike shirt. It's the material that he likes. It's a dry wick and Nike Golf. So he'll be able to take this with him. If not, he wears, I can't even, it's almost funny how many golf shirts he has. But this is a really nice one. And once again, it doesn't look like it's even been worn. If it has, there's no indication of it. Has a nice little gray piping to it. And this was $7 for a Nike golf shirt. So he did like that one. And just once again, for either island or if we go out to dinner here in the summer, he doesn't have a lot of button-down short sleeve shirts. So I did find this shirt. It was marked 7, 50% off. So I got this for $3.50. And this is a Van Heusen. And it has kind of like a gray, a blue, and an orange. I don't know if you can see that color and pattern. But once again, great condition. Doesn't look like it's even been worn or washed. And then I have this shirt, Hager. Once again, I can see this with jeans for a night out. And I don't have another shirt here, but I don't know what I did with it. So, and this has a really nice soft feel to it. Once again, this was $7, green ticket. So I got this for $3.50. And beautiful condition. No rub marks, no holes, no stains, nothing. I try to be really, really, really picky, of course, when thrifting for clothes, especially if I'm buying it for somebody else. I'll buy clothes that if there's a stain on it that I think I can get out for that price, I will give it a go. I did pass on a couple things only because I just didn't want to add something else to my workload. So that's what I have for some things that I got thrifting. And I walked out of that store with a cart full for like $36. And there's a couple other things. Unfortunately, 2 items didn't fit. They were a little too small. And 1 item I have to, let me see. I was going to say iron it, but that was one of the things that were too small. I was a little bummed out about that. So I have clothes that I'm going to go on this island vacation that I will then also be able to use here at home, out in the garden, going to the grocery store. They can be dressed up, they can be dressed down with jewelry, flats to heels. So I was pleased to find these items there. And while I have you, I might show you, I'm not going to might show you, I'm going to show you some things that will be added to our shop online. So if you don't want to see the store stuff, you can go on, but some of it is accessories for the summer, some bags. So let me grab those. I'm just going to throw them here on the counter. I didn't even plan it, so there might be even some household items in them. So let me just grab them over here. Okay. I figured some of these would be better to show you in person so you could see the size of them. And I'm going to start with some straw bags here. Now, I got these in limited quantity to start just to see what everybody thinks. Now, I had a straw bag that was similar to these. Oh, I do have stuff in here. This is just some of their catalogs that came with it. Let me just throw that on the table. So I had some very similar bags that I would go to the market with, to the farmer's market. I used to take it for flowers. And I got these 2 sizes. There's a small and a medium. I have a few more of the small than I do mediums, but if they go well, I do believe this is something that I will be able to get more of. So if they're sold out, and if it's something that you are interested in, just let me know and I will check to see if there's more available. You can email me directly, and if there are more, I can take an order, I believe. So we'll play that one by ear. So I did get some of these, and I liked these. This I have in a sage green. So it's, I don't know if you can, how far back my camera goes. I'm wearing my holy jeans. I call these my religious jeans. They're holy. Is that bad to say? So anyways, I have this in sage and it ties closed. So I haven't even pulled this out yet. So it ties closed. I think these are so sweet. It's like a little Parisian bag, and that's actually what they call them. But love the sage. You can use it as for picnics. You can use it to go to the beach. You can use it for shopping, vacation. I would have brought this on our vacation, but wanting to do the carry-on, this is a little too big, so I'll have another larger bag, but that would have been perfect. I got that also in a navy blue. Ooh, some of these things I don't know if I'm going to show you because it's part of a gift basket. Let me see here. Oh, this candle smells good. It's so good. All right, so I have the exact same bag in navy blue. The tie's inside. It has like this blue ticking, and the other had a soft green ticking. Let me grab the green one for you. Like that. And the same situation. As of now, I just got a few of each of these, but I believe they are something I can get more of. I can check once again. But I didn't want to buy a lot of those just in case it was not something people would want to do. And they do call it a picnic basket. Now, I showed the candle last week, oops, but I wanted to show you how large it is. It's deceiving when you see it just online in a picture. This candle is a really good size. This is the gin and tonic. I love the smell of it. It's very citrusy and has a nice fresh scent to it, and it comes in a gift box. I can get plenty more of these if these sell out. And then I got the soap in the same scent. And I have this in our shower right now, and I absolutely love it. Once again, very citrus, very fresh, very summery. So I got that. I also I got a few more candles and soaps. This is something that some of you might see, out and about already. Let me just open up this. I love things, of course, that smell really good. And everybody has their own preference, but this is one of my preferences. Sea salt candle, and it smells like the beach, and it's not a lotion type of smell. It's once again very crisp, and it is, I'm trying to think here if it says what it comes from. Fresh from the sea to light up your day or night. It comes from the sea salt candle. It doesn't give me any notes on this that I'm seeing, but it smells so good and so fresh once again. And I also got the soap. So this will be in like the maritime section and probably the bath section, and I'll be adding those. Then now I could say for the men, but I love the smell of this too. I'm one of those females that also likes to wear some richer scents, especially in the fall. But I haven't even opened up this candle yet. This is called cedarwood. I don't even know what this looks like. I should have probably opened up the other one too. Hello. Sorry about that. I probably should have had this ready to go. Oh, so it's just a clear vessel with a little sticker on it. So if you didn't want the sticker, you could probably take that off. And this definitely smells like a men's aftershave. It's so good. And I ended up getting a soap in the same, and I have some tins. And the tins might be part of a box. So those will be listed also. And I'll be opening the shop very soon if it's not open already. I'm going to be doing this in stages. And I'll probably do a little bit more on this, but my thoughts are the shop is going to be open for certain sales. Then I will close it for vacation mode, not really vacation, while I get ready for another release. And then we'll open it again, like when we do our country estate sale. And it will just be, I think, kind of a fun flow of when it will be open for special events, and then closed because I do need to take a step back from my work schedule and hours. And I thought that would be a way to do it, having fun events that will be open, and then I can take some time off, buy more product, load them, instead of constantly being wrapping supplies. I mean, we did a lot of wonderful orders last year, but it kept me busy. And right now, I do have some people who want to work with me, which is great. And I was stubborn. I just did most of it myself last year, and my daughter here and there. So it was a lot, and I appreciate it completely. But now I know I have to make some changes, and that's going to be one of them, possibly being open for special events. But we'll see. All right, that's all I have for this right now. But I'm sure I have a little bit more that I'll be adding to this video for you. But if not, thanks for stopping by. Bye now.